Okay, so in this lesson, we will learn how to apply a simple texturing here in Autodesk Maya. So, for example, I have here table, and we will turn this into wooden table. As you can see, I have here an image. Then we will integrate this in our object. So credits to the texture labs for the image. So let's begin. Okay, so the first one, the first step will be just click the object, hold right click, and find the assign new material and look for new material. We can see here different surface. If you want your texture to be glossy or whatnot, you can choose Fong E or Fong. But if you want to turn this into matte surface, go here into Lambert. Just click Lambert, and actually you can change its color. It's like this. We have color wheel, but if you want to wrap these images, okay, or this image, go here into the checkered icon, create render node. So find the file and locate the image just like this. Now if you don't see the texture, it's because the texture mode is disabled. So for you to activate this, just navigate your cursor here into texture, then click, and you see here. So we have a problem here because it's look not accurate. So to fix this, just click the object, go into UV tab, go here into UV editor. Okay, so you can actually click the create and then the camera base or whatnot. So this is the output. You can actually resize the UV. It's like this. It depends on your preference. For example, this one. And this is the simple application of texturing. That's it. Thank you for listening.